Hi there, this is Jarvis, the always motivated AI voice of 123 Puzzle Me. As you know, I'm not the creator, that is Leander. Leander is the guy here that is doing nothing at all. Today I will explain to you the Just Solve It puzzle. This puzzle is made for the love of Michael Jordan by Leander, the creator of 123 Puzzle Me puzzles. We know all that Leander is nothing more than a couch potato at the moment, but years ago, he was in fact a very sportive guy. And with years ago I mean decades ago. Like in the last century. Now let's have a look at the puzzle. What do we see? 4 lines and 4 objects. A ball. A number 23. A swoosh. And finally his royal airness in a black silhouette, Michael Jordan. The first 3 lines have a final value, the last line the question mark, so let's see what we can do. Although I'm intrigued by the last line, and the fact that MJ is there and not in any other lines, I will start with the top line. 3 balls with a swoosh on it. Ball plus ball equals 21. All are the same. 7 plus 7 equals 21. So one ball must be 7. That is correct, but with the swoosh. Keep this in mind. Let's see if we can find out if we can split the value of ball and the swoosh. We do this in line 3. Swoosh times swoosh, plus ball with a swoosh, equals 32. We know that a ball with a swoosh has a value of 7. So 32, minus 7 equals 25. 5 times 5, equals 25. So the swoosh has a value of 5, and the ball a value of 2, good to know. Line 2 is as easy as it can be. 23 is the number that is unmistakably connected with Michael Jordan. 23, plus 23 minus 23 equals 23. Well, just in case you didn't get it yet, the value of 23 equals 23. I hear you thinking, do we need an explainer for this? Is Leander even too lazy to create a puzzle that needs some brain power? No worries, he will try to sting you in the last line. But first, let's see what do we got. The ball equals 2. The swoosh equals 5. The number equals 23. All good to know, but what about the fourth object, Michael Jordan, his royal airness? What is his value? When there is no way to determine the value of an object, even by logic, the value is 0. And yes, Michael Jordan is everything but a 0, but in this case, the value of his silhouette is null. Or like Leander likes to say, you can't put a number on MJ. So let's do the last line. What do we see? Number, plus 5 basketballs, times Michael Jordan, equals a big question mark. If you would do it fast you could say 23, plus 35 times 0, equals 23. But then you really need to buy some glasses, or better, a new set of eyes. Let's start with the first object. When you look closely, you see not only the 23, but also the swoosh in the 23. So the value will be 23, plus 5, equals 28. The second field in the final row is easier. 5 times a ball with the swoosh is, 5 times 7 equals 35. Now the last object. Michael Jordan himself has no value in this puzzle. But on his shirt we see the number 23, and in his hand he has a basketball. And if you look closely at the ball we have a swoosh, and if you look even closer he has also a swoosh on the top of his shirt, on his shorts, and on his left and right shoe. Those are 5 swooshes in total, those we have to count as well. This means that the value of the third object in the last row is 23 plus 5, plus 5, plus 5, plus 5, plus 5, plus 2, equals 50. Again I hear some of you say, but what about mirrored values of the swoosh? They are not in the same direction. This would be correct if we would have a point of reference in the lines above. So all swooshes have the full value. Now time to make the final equation. 28 plus 35, times 50 equals the question mark. First we do 35 times 50. This is 1750, leaves us with 28 plus 1750, is 1778. 1778 is according to us the most logical answer of this puzzle, and if you got this answer, you can say, I just solved it. Fun fact. Michael Jordan and the number 23 are connected to each other. 23 is Michael Jordan and Michael Jordan is the number 23. And what do you get when you add the numbers 1, 7, 7, and 8? You get the number 23. I hope you like this puzzle explainer. If you have any comments or questions, write them down in the comment box below, and don't forget to subscribe to 123 Puzzle Me here on YouTube. If you don't agree with the solution, don't forget it's just a puzzle. This was Jarvis, time for me to watch some cool clips from Kobe Bryant. Have a nice day, and see you at the next video of 123 Puzzle Me.